Hey there, everyone! Prepare to embark on a thrilling journey into the depths of your own mind. Today, we delve into Joseph Murphy's seminal work, The Power of the Subconscious Mind. A book that doesn't just enlighten, it transforms. We all know the feeling. You wake up late, miss the bus, and spill coffee all over yourself. It's like your brain is on autopilot, sabotaging your day before it even begins. But what if we told you it could be the other way around? What if your mind could become your greatest ally, propelling you towards success and fulfillment? That's the revolutionary promise of Joseph Murphy's The Power of the Subconscious Mind. Forget willpower hacks and endless self-help mantras. This book dives deep into the hidden wellspring of power within you, your subconscious mind. Imagine harnessing the incredible power of your subconscious to achieve your goals. Unleashing creativity, overcoming fears, and attracting abundance. Reprogramming negative thoughts and building unshakable confidence. Ready to unlock the secret weapon you've been carrying around all your life? Then buckle up, because the power of the subconscious mind is about to take your personal development to a whole new level. Alright, folks, buckle up for a story that explodes straight out of the power of the subconscious mind. Murphy packs this book with real-life examples, but this one always sends shivers down my spine. The story goes like this. A young man named David found himself stuck in a dead-end job. He felt undervalued, underpaid, and utterly uninspired. Every day felt like a slog, a never-ending loop of frustration. One dreary Tuesday, on his way to work, David spotted a headline that leaped out at him. Man wins lottery after visualizing millions every night. Intrigued, David devoured the article. The winner claimed he practiced a nightly visualization ritual, picturing himself holding a giant check for millions. David, desperate for a change, figured, "What the heck?" That night, David followed suit. He closed his eyes and visualized himself holding a giant check, feeling the texture of the paper, the weight of his newfound wealth. He repeated affirmations of abundance and success. At first, it felt silly, but David persisted. Night after night, he planted those seeds of wealth in his subconscious garden. Weeks turned into months, and something remarkable happened. David's attitude shifted. He started noticing opportunities he'd missed before. He took on extra responsibilities at work, impressing his boss. He even signed up for a night course in coding, a skill he'd always dreamed of learning. David's newfound confidence and proactive spirit didn't go unnoticed. He landed a promotion, a significant raise, and a whole new path for his career. And a year later, the unthinkable happened. David actually won the lottery. Coincidence? Murphy would say no. By harnessing the power of his subconscious mind, David not only attracted wealth, but he also set himself on a path to success, creating the very foundation for his incredible windfall. See, folks, the power of the subconscious mind isn't about fantastical promises. It's about planting the seeds of possibility and cultivating the mindset that allows you to thrive. It's time to explore the uncharted territory of your own mind. Joseph Murphy throws open the door to the subconscious, the hidden captain steering the ship of your life, often without you even noticing. This isn't some mystical mumbo-jumbo. Murphy explains how your subconscious mind is a record player, constantly playing back the tunes of your beliefs, habits, and past experiences. Ever wonder why you keep getting passed over for that promotion, even though you're qualified? Or why do you freeze up in social situations? The answer might be hiding in the dusty corners of your subconscious. Maybe it holds a recording of a past rejection that's fueling your self-doubt. The good news? Murphy shows you how to rewrite the script. The power of the subconscious mind isn't about airy-fairy positive vibes. It's about understanding the power of your subconscious and harnessing it for positive change. By identifying those hidden patterns and beliefs, you can rewrite the record playing in your head, replacing negativity with empowering thoughts, and paving the way for a life of success and fulfillment. Are you ready to become the captain of your own ship? Then stay tuned as we crack open more chapters of Murphy's mind-blowing exploration of the subconscious. This powerhouse can be programmed, shaped, and molded to work for you, not against you. Imagine being able to rewrite the script playing in your head, replacing self-doubt with unwavering confidence, or attracting opportunities like a magnet. The power of the subconscious mind isn't some pie-in-the-sky theory, it's a practical toolkit overflowing with techniques to tap into that hidden power. Think of your subconscious like a lump of clay. Through techniques like positive affirmations, visualization, and relaxation exercises, you can mold it, shape it, and guide it toward your goals. Imagine planting seeds of success in your subconscious garden. With consistent effort, those seeds will sprout, blossoming into positive behaviors, improved habits, and the life you've always dreamed of. This isn't some fairy tale. Murphy shares real-life examples of people who cracked the subconscious code. There's Jane, who used to crumble at the thought of public speaking, but after reprogramming her subconscious with confidence affirmations, she's now a captivating presenter. Or John, whose business was on the verge of collapse. By harnessing the power of his subconscious to attract new clients and make strategic decisions, he turned his company into a thriving success story. These are just a taste of what's possible when you unlock the power of your subconscious mind. Murphy equips you with the tools and techniques to rewrite your inner narrative and transform your life. Are you ready to ditch the limitations and step into your full potential? Then stay tuned as we explore more mind-bending strategies from the power of the subconscious mind. The power of the subconscious mind isn't just another self-help book gathering dust on your shelf, folks. Murphy's words are a wake-up call, a revelation shattering the illusion of limitations. This book throws open the door to a hidden vault within you, a treasure chest overflowing with untapped potential. And guess what? The key is already in your hands. Murphy equips you with the tools to unlock that potential, the techniques to unleash the incredible power of your subconscious. It's not about magic spells or quick fixes. It's about harnessing the incredible capacity for growth and change that's already wired into your brain. Imagine a world where your subconscious becomes your greatest cheerleader, propelling you towards your goals with unwavering support. That's the power Murphy puts at your fingertips. This isn't some abstract theory, it's a call to action. Are you ready to unlock the potential that's been dormant for too long? Are you ready to take control of your thoughts, your habits, and your destiny? The power of the subconscious mind equips you with the knowledge and the tools to make it happen. So grab a copy, unleash your inner power, and watch your life transform. Remember, the key to success lies not in external circumstances, but within the vast and magnificent universe of your own mind. Let's get out there and unlock it. In the end, the power of the subconscious mind is more than a book. It's a guide to personal growth, a toolkit for transformation, a passport to empowerment. And the journey begins with a single step, understanding your own mind. Forget chasing fleeting motivation or relying on sheer willpower, folks. The power of the subconscious mind isn't about white-knuckling your way to success. It's about harnessing the hidden superpower you already possess. Murphy cracks the code on the subconscious, showing you how to transform it from a silent saboteur into your greatest ally. Imagine a life where self-doubt melts away, replaced by unwavering confidence. Imagine effortlessly attracting opportunities and achieving goals that once seemed impossible. This isn't some pipe dream, it's the reality Murphy empowers you to create. The power of the subconscious mind isn't a one-time read, it's a roadmap to a life lived on your terms. Pick up a copy, dive into its wisdom, and unleash the limitless potential that lies dormant within you. Remember, you are not at the mercy of your circumstances, you are the master of your subconscious mind. Now, go out there and rewrite your story. The future is yours for the taking. So, are you ready to explore this uncharted territory? If you've already read the book, share your experiences in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more mind-blowing content. Until next time, keep exploring, keep growing, and remember, the power is in your mind.